Hi, so today we will see how we can edit an image based on our chats. Okay, so super useful video. So this tool is on trend now, chat based AI image editor. Okay, so once you are in this actually dashboard or this tools kit, okay, you have to scroll down to find this AI image editor, or else you can select this image or you can search, okay, from this search bar. So how you will get this toolkit, okay, I will guide you at the end, and how you can land to this dashboard. Okay, so you be with me, no worries. So quickly I'll tell you how you can do that. Okay, so once you will come to this page, for example, this is the image option, and here I think fifth option here, so this is AI image editor. Once you will click, this is the dashboard, actually edit dashboard. Okay, so from here you can do everything. Okay, so just 3 to 4 steps are there. So first you can upload a file from this browse file options, or you can start from the blank canvas. Okay, so once that canvas is ready, you can generate the image also. Okay, like that. Whatever image you have, okay, you select the color, and then you generate the image. Next option, actually model. So it has total 9 models over here. Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana, then we have ByteDance Seed Dream V4, Flux Pro Context Max, then GPT 1 image, GPT image, that mini 1 mini, then we have Seed Edit from ByteDance V3, then Queen Image Edit and Rave. Okay, so basically if you this models part is actually very crucial, so I want to tell you in detail. So first, Nano Banana Pro, this is thinking mode and search grounding. Okay, so this is Google's most advanced model with thinking mode for complex edits and Google search grounding. Okay, so it can do thinking, search and advance. Okay, next we have Gemini 2.5 Flash, earlier Nano Banana. So likeness preservation, maintains character likeness perfectly, blends multiple photos seamlessly, ideal for people and pets. So this is ideal for actually likeness, blend and people. Next we have ByteDance Seed Dream V4. This is actually unified creation and editing, world's top rated image editor, excels at complex editing and reference consistency. Okay, unified multi-image and transformation. So what you can do, you should actually try multiple models to see which works best for you. Okay, now we have this one over here, Flux Pro Context Max. So this is precision and speed, perfect for precise localized edits, maintains consistency, handles text beautifully. So this is for actually Flux Pro Context for precision and speed. Now we have image one from GPT. So this is for creative and artistic. So this actually it can handle complex artistic creations, may reimagine entire scenes for dramatic results. Okay, next we have this one, one mini image from GPT. This is for actually fast and affordable, so you can see for quick edits and faster result. Next we have Seed Edit V3. This was actually earlier one was V4, now this one V3 from ByteDance. So V4 is advanced one. Okay, so we can skip this one. Then we have Queen Image Edit, text editing master. So for text edit and accurate, it is actually superior text editing. It has superior text editing capabilities, excels at adding, modifying or replacing text images with high accuracy. Okay, then we have Rave, which is aesthetic and text rendering process, so detailed visuals output with this one, strong aesthetic quality. Okay, and supports multi-image remix. So these are actually models we have, so you select the best one, and still you try multiple models one by one. Okay, then you add your prompts over here, and it has actually quick prompts. Okay, you can see you can use actually any of the prompts from here, like quick fixes, social media. Then we have fix photos, okay, remove objects, body and fashion, then fun, background. So under each category you will have multiple prompts. Okay, then professional, real estate, okay, family, events, artistic, seasonal, special effects, memes and fun. Okay, all we have. For example, so I want to tell this one by one. In this quick fix we have auto enhance everything. For example, if you click this one, this prompt over here, you will get immediately the prompt automatically fix and enhance everything in the photo to make it look professional. Okay, so you even no need to type anything. Okay, next we have perfect selfie. So if you click this, fix this selfie by smoothing skin, whitening teeth, fixing here and improving lighting. If you want, you can add or remove. Okay, here. So in this way you select any prompt and it will automatically insert it. Okay, this is actually for social media, remove blemish. Okay, so this is how. Next we have reference images. Okay, so in this reference image, if you have any reference image, that also you can upload. And finally you can click on this edit image, and before that, if you want, you can use their advanced option like ratio you can select. Okay, and resolution as per your actually desired output, you can select this resolution and the aspect ratio. Then finally you click on this edit image. Okay, so that edit process will start, and here you will see the history. This is also a history option. You will find all the history. Okay, here, and done. Once it is ready, you will get the file and you can download also. So I have shown you the process. Now the time has come how you can get this toolkit. Okay, so this is actually this tool is from Galaxy. So they are giving actually this Black Friday Cyber Monday offer is going on now. So if you purchase, though it is showing only 3 hours left, but it will still run almost 7 days. Okay, it will run till December 5th, you can count. Okay, now if you are watching after that, okay, so that I'll tell you how you can avail the discount. But first let me tell you that they are Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals. So per month you can get this actually for 15 USD per month. Okay, 20 plus AI tools you will get. Okay, like Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, Grok, Nano Banana, Midjourney, View, Sora. Okay, all the tools you will get. And if you pay yearly 99 USD per year, and for one time 399. Okay, lifetime access you will get. So if I just show you the tools, you can see actually 3000 plus powerful AI tools you will get. Okay, to enhance your workflow, and all these brands actually you will get 20 plus actually brands like Hagen, Runaway, Kling, 11 Labs, Higgsfield, Nano Banana, Pixbars, One, Pika, Vido, okay, Hedra, Vid.io. Okay, so all these actually leading AI tools you can use. Okay, from one single platform for your audio, documents, video, image, text. Okay, everything. So what I'll do, I will add these links in the description for you. You can check them out. So till then, please like and subscribe, it will motivate us a lot. And please watch our earlier content existing. We have published lots of videos, actually helpful videos for your graphics design journey, and as well we have web design tutorial as well, and we are bringing more in near future. Okay, the production process is under actually building. Okay, now we are working on them. So till then, take care, bye bye.